Burren Point campground. We've been here before. Last time we came here, the tracks were horrible, mostly because people were probably driving with incorrect tyre pressures. We're airing down to the right pressure. For ours, we're pretty heavy, so we'll probably run about 20 in the front, 18 in the back. We've used our Storm tyre deflators this time, and I'm just checking them with the gauge just to make sure that the tyre pressures are even across both sides. A bit high at the moment, got a little bit to go down on this one. But we'll get it right and we'll hit the tracks and it'll be easy, even with the caravan. Is changing the hubs over, locking them in. If you don't lock them in, you'll be in two-wheel drive and you'll be causing problems on the tracks for yourself and others. Getting it into high fall. Probably don't need it yet, but I'd rather be in high fall ready to go so we're not tearing up the track at any point, at any stage, any time.
And here we are at camp after driving about 8 k's of sandy track. Just taking it slow in low fall. Got into camp. I could have
to do a quick little video on sand driving. Before you hit the sand, be prepared. Lower your tyre pressures. If you've got manual locking hubs, lock them in. Engage four-wheel drive, and then you're ready to go. Tyre pressures may be somewhere around 20 psi, depending on the conditions. And then when you hit the tracks, preferably stay in the tracks. Trying to drive on top of them or next to them can often be hard work and you'll get pulled everywhere. And as you're driving, maintain a steady momentum. That doesn't mean speed, that doesn't mean go fast, it means drive to the conditions. If there's big whoops in there, it might not be practical to be sitting at a high speed in second or third gear. You might need to be lower, but drive at a steady pace in that chosen gear. Preferably at a higher RPM in the gear, that way if you do begin to lose traction, you'll hopefully have the power and torque to pull yourself out of it by applying a little bit of accelerator, a little bit of right foot. And then, don't stop suddenly. When you're on the beach, if you stop suddenly, if you're in soft sand and you put the brake on suddenly, it'll force you down into the sand and you might find it hard to get back out again. So when you do need to come to a stop, just back off the accelerator pedal nice and easy and let your vehicle slowly come to a halt so that you don't push yourself down into the sand. and preferably stop yourself in a spot that's nice and easy to take off on again. So don't stop on soft sand, don't stop where you're on the start of a hill, stop somewhere nice and flat and firmish, and you'll find it easy to take off again. That's you, ready to hit the sand. If you've got any more comments or you'd like some more tips, ask them some questions below. Happy to answer anything. Thanks for watching Road Trips Australia. Okay, we're driving back along the beach from Burrum Point to Woodgate Boat Ramp. We've got the caravan on. We're probably combined close to 5 tonne between the car and the caravan. Just sitting in 3rd gear high for cruising in the cruiser. Absolutely magic day.